A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for carrot. D is for duck. E is for eggplant. F is for flower. G is for gift. H is for house. I is for ice cream. J is for jelly. K is for key. L is for light bulb. M is for mango. N is for notepad. O is for orange. P is for pinwheel. Q is for question mark. R is for rose. S is for strawberry. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for